Hey guys, it's Shalise and I am here with a quick review slash tutorial with my new Revlon cosmetics that I got in Influenster's Vox box. So I have the bronzer, the Candid Glow, Photo Ready Candid Glow foundation, and the Prime Plus primer. So I'm going to go ahead and be trying these out. I might do an eye look with it just so that it's more than just this, but it is primarily for these products so that I can give a review. So if you want to see what I end up doing, keep watching. Okay, so I've been holding on to these products. I'm sorry, there's something, I've been getting bit up by mosquitoes and things. So I've been holding on to these products because I wanted to do like a full face makeup, but with everything going on and wearing masks all day, I haven't found a time to do it. So I just got off work a little while ago and I'm going to do it now. So I'm going to start with the primer, and I haven't used any of these yet. I used to use the Photo Ready foundation, but I haven't used it in quite a bit. So I'm just going to use about that much because that's normally how much I would use with any of my other primers. And dab it on and go ahead and put it on. Now I did clean my face before putting this on. I didn't do a full wash because I'm going to have to wash this off anyway. But I wanted to give as honest a review as possible. Alright, so I actually feel like I might need a little more, but it's not too bad. Let me turn my mirror here so I can see. And it's a little tacky, not way like intensely tacky, but it does feel like it's gonna grab onto the foundation. So now that I have that on, I have my Huda Beauty makeup sponge blender, and I'm gonna use this. I'm not sure if this is my color. It looks really light, but that's what I was sent. So right now I'm looking for the quality of the product more than I am, the color. So this is in color Natural Tan, and I'm treating it like I normally do, putting it on my blender, dabbing it, wow, that's bright, dabbing it on, and then I'm gonna swipe and pat. And you know what, it's actually not that bad. I did use 2 pumps. It's not giving me very much coverage, but I did only do 2 pumps. So let me first see what it's promising before and it actually blended out pretty well with my skin and with some bronzer. I'm pretty sure I can get that to match. So it says light buildable coverage foundation. Okay, so we're going to try 2 more pumps and see how much we can build this. Did I? Okay, no. I'm always nervous when I'm wearing like a white top because I am clumsy. Now it's looking a little better actually. And I guess during the summer, you really don't want like super heavy foundation. So, So what do you think? It's not bad. Actually, it did blend out really well into my skin. And it does give me pretty good coverage with that second application. So that's what my skin is looking like right now. Not too bad. Okay, so so I'm assuming that this is supposed to be more of a dewy finish, but again, I'm not really sure. So I am going to I'm debating on if I want to do like a full face of makeup. I know I don't really want to do concealer and all that. It's for what? That's a waste. Hold on, let me see if there's something I want to try. Okay, so I am going to try this Pretty Vulgar concealer. It's super light, just to try it because I don't think I've used it. So I'm just going to put a little bit right in there. And I'm going to blend this out. I need to put my mirror a little closer. There we go. And that was pretty much no coverage. I guess I could see a little bit of a difference. It's not too dramatic, which I like. With me getting old, I don't want to do too much drama when it comes to like concealers and things like that. Okay. So that's what I'm with. I'm going to use my b.a.s.e, I think it's Hydra Mist. Yeah, Hydra Mist setting powder, which I love. Love this powder so much. It always feels so nice and cool and moist under eye makeup. Or under your eye, I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and set that. I'm not really trying to bake. I'm really just trying to set it. Okay, so I'm setting all the high points. Pull a little more into here. Okay, it's actually looking pretty good. And even with just kind of setting it all over, it's still giving you that nice lit from within finish. Okay, so let's go ahead and warm this up a little bit. Now with this bronzer, I'm not sure if it's going to be dark enough for me, but we're going to try it because that's what I was sent to try. So it's Skin Lights, and this is in Sunlit Glow is the shade 110. Let me grab a brush. Okay, and I'm using my Moda Pro pointed blush brush, but I'm going to use it for my bronzer. So just going to tap into it. I think it's doing something. Yeah, it is. I like that. Okay, it's very, very subtle, but as you can tell, it's darkening or bronzing up the outer portion of my face and drawing the attention to the center. Okay. I don't know what's in my hair right there, but okay, I'm digging this. Alright, and it's not too overpowering. I'm pretty sure I need a darker color just in everyday life, but it's working. It's actually helping blend this light foundation into my skin. And actually, if you look down here, it's like the same color. So, all right. Yeah, I'm looking in the actual mirror, and I'm liking it. So, and it's still a nice lit from within type glow. Okay. First impression on these 3 items. It's a winner. Even with the summer and my skin being darker than normal, it's a winner. Now, of course, I don't have time to do an all-day wear test because it's nighttime. Well, it's daytime, but it's 8 o'clock. And I'm going to be washing this off soon. And like I said, when I'm going to work or out and about, we have to wear the masks. So I don't really want to do a full, day wear time test unless it's on my off day, which is coming up. So maybe I'll do it then. But my first impression is I do like this. So yeah, these are winners. I'm glad I got sent them from Influenster. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think I am going to go ahead and do an eye look in my next video, and that'll be posted in my next video. But that's it for this one. So again, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.